Hello again, it's Rich from Hannells. Haven't I got a treat for you today? We're in Royal Hill Road in Spondon, one of the nicest areas I particularly think in Spondon. We're here to see this very spacious 4-bedroom detached home. Come on, let's go and have a look and I'll show you around. So we're inside. Downstairs we have a utility area, a kitchen diner. Further from that is a dining area. To the right hand side is a lounge and downstairs toilet. Upstairs there are 4 bedrooms and a family bathroom. But one little thing, I will have a surprise for you at the end, but I'll just keep that under my hat. Let's have a look round. Well, we're in the kitchen. As you can see, it's a dining kitchen. There's a utility area, not forgetting that, and a dining area to the left hand side. You could also take this wall out to make it a bigger dining kitchen. I'd just like to point out the lovely picture window looking out onto the garden. As you can see, this is the dining room. This is the wall I was talking about that you could take out if you want to get open plan living, but that's down to you. And not forgetting the lovely patio doors leading to the surprise, which I'm going to show you at the end of this video. This is the second entrance hallway. There is a downstairs toilet there, useful storage, and a spacious lounge. Let's just pop in and have a look. That's downstairs done. There is more to see. Let's go and have a look. We have 4 generous bedrooms, a family bathroom, and access to the loft. Right, we'll leave this bedroom till last. Come and have a look. And I'd just like to point out one of the main features of this property is the views. Just take a look. So that's the inside of the house done. Now we'll go to the outside. Personally, I think this is my favourite part of the house. Let's go and have a look. As you can see, this is a patio area, but just take a look behind you. Well, that's it. I hope you've been as blown away as I have. That was Royal Hill Road in Spondon. If you do want to come and have a look and a viewing, please call the Chaddesden branch on 01332 281 400. See you on the next one.